Have you ever felt like most prop firms prioritize their profits over yours? What if a firm actually prioritized you, respecting your time, rewarding your consistency, and giving you a real shot at building a proper trading career? Well, in today's video, we're going to be looking through FundedNext Futures, a prop firm we all know and love that's entering the future space with a bold promise to build a model that works for the trader first. No gimmicks, no artificial limits, just real results and real opportunity. So for all of you traders who are looking to get into futures coming from the CFD prop firm side, then in this video, we're actually going to be comparing a few of the firms out there and see if FundedNext is actually going to hold up quite strong against them all. So let's get straight into it. Now, as you all know, FundedNext is coming from the CFD prop firm industry and now transitioning also into the future space. Now, like some of the other biggest prop firms out there, you've got Apex, Topstep, and a few others. They are definitely competing with the likes of them. I mean, we already know they're a solid firm, but now transitioning into this as well, we're definitely going to see what their features are going to be like. Now, instantly looking at their website over here, one of the key things that they've transitioned into futures as well is their guaranteed payout. If you don't get it within 24 hours, you also get the $1,000 on top. So I know for sure I'm going to be one of them guys waiting for that extra $1,000 on top if they take a bit longer. And then the 15% profit share from the challenge as well. It seems like they've also got a few types of plans. So they've got the 25K plan, the 50K, the 100Ks. At the moment, it's also up to 30% off as well. So if you actually get involved, the pre-registration, the link is going to be down below. You can actually get access to that. Now, I know there's a few firms out there that we'd love to compare. So what I've actually gone ahead and done is put everything into a little PDF. And we're going to be looking at all the features to see if it really holds up against the rest. So let's get straight into that. And here they are, pretty much everything you need to know when it comes to FundedNext challenge accounts. Now, as we all know, we're starting off with the 15% performance fee from the challenge phase. This is something that really sets it apart when you start to compare it to some of the other firms. They've got no activation fee as well, which is amazing. Most of the other firms, when you actually go live, you have to activate your account. So you have to pay either that monthly retainer or that one time in the beginning. All it is over here is that one-time fee. You pass, you show you're a proven trader, and then you can actually get access to the funded account as well. There's no ticking clock or anything like that. Simply get straight into the account. There's no time limit to pass as well, which is pretty much the industry standard nowadays. In terms of the contract scaling as well. Now, when it comes to futures and normal prop firm CFD accounts, they are slightly different. With futures, you're dealing with contracts. With normal CFD accounts, you're dealing with lot sizes. So if you aren't too accustomed to that, definitely do a bit of research on that. But FundedNext really gives you the opportunity to scale up. So as you gain more consistency, you can scale up your accounts and scale up the amount that you can actually put into these mini contracts as well. They've got a cool little thing here, a 5-day payout cycle. So let's say you get funded. Within 5 days already, you'll be able to get your first payout, which is actually amazing. Quick, clear, dependable, everything that we expect from FundedNext. News trading is allowed as well. Now, I'm going to be honest, I'm very much against news trading. Most of the people lose their money during them times. So if you are some of them riskier traders and you like to make that quick little buck, when CPI comes out or FOMC comes out, then definitely you'll be able to use it here as well, which is quite unique. No reward cap. I don't know whether you guys have watched other podcasts in the trading industry or anything, but when it comes to the rewards from futures traders compared to some of the normal CFD Forex traders, there's a massive discrepancy. I mean, we've seen futures traders get paid out more than $1 million in one payout, which is absolutely crazy. But when it comes to the normal CFD prop firm industry, that's where typically you have to lower your budget and you really have to take your quick payouts as soon as possible. But they definitely allow that over here. 3 account sizes, as you know, we've got 25K, 50K, and 100K. So whatever experience you've got, you can go for that. And a reset option as well with a 10% discount. So let's say you need a second chance, there's definitely that opportunity as well. Now, the one thing I wanted to do here is not only did I want to look at the features of FundedNext Futures, but I wanted to compare it to some of the other firms in the industry. Now, what really makes up some of the biggest firms out there in the future space are the likes of Topstep, you've got ApexTrader, and you've also got MyFunded Futures as well. These guys have been around for a while and they've really dominated the industry. But the one thing I've seen from FundedNext when I was looking at the rules and everything is they're really coming in with a slightly different edge. So when we actually compare through all of them, yes, all the others are great and everything, but some of the features we have here is absolutely amazing. One of them, for example, over here is the performance reward. They are the only one to provide a performance reward from the actual challenge phase. None of the others are able to actually do that. When it comes to the activation fee as well, we have absolutely none over here. Here, for example, Apex and Topstep you need to pay. MyFunded Futures is okay. Time limit, there's no time limit at all, which is great for every single one. Payout frequency, with FundedNext, the amazing thing that I found is you can get payouts pretty much whenever you want. So as soon as you're in profit, you can take that payout, be in control of whenever you get that. And also within 24 hours as well, which is insane. And then with these ones, I would say every 5 days is okay. And then we've got weekly and bi-weekly as well. So not to the level of FundedNext Futures. The one-time fee as well. Yes, there's only a one-time here. With all of the others, they pretty much have monthly cycles. So definitely an expense for you guys. News trading as well. It's going to be allowed for FundedNext. It's limited for Apex Funder. And then for the others, it's going to be a no. For me personally, that's actually not one of the biggest things. So I guess for some of you it might be relevant. For some of you it might not. But one of the biggest ones at the bottom, if you are seriously consistently profitable, this is going to matter to you. A reward cap. You have literally no reward cap, so no payout cap on how much you can get. With some of the others, there is that cap. So for example, in early payouts for Topstep, which is, I would say, decent. Yes, there's a reward cap as well for Apex. And then for Funded Futures, yes as well. So there's definitely some limits on all the other firms. But as you can see, when you compare like for like, FundedNext to Topstep to Apex, all of the others are great. They've been established and everything like that. But FundedNext is really coming in with that nice little twist. And so guys, we've actually got our account details now. So I just want to show you a little bit of what the dashboard actually looks like. So if we look at the FundedNext dashboard, basically it's the same type of thing as what we've had in the past. Pretty much looks very, very similar to the CFDs. However, there's a few minor differences. As you can see, when you look at things like the profit target, slightly different, the daily loss limit, even the maximum loss limit as well. So there's a few key differences over there, but we've actually gone ahead and got a 100K account over here. So now we've got the details, pretty much just all about logging in. As some of you know, they've got different platforms. So it's MT4, MT5 is not going to be for futures. It's actually going to be NinjaTrader and also Tradervate as well. So whichever one you decide to use, I'm going to go ahead and log in. If you do actually want to get started with futures, I do recommend using that little code down below. You're going to get an extra 5% off. So just click that link down below, use the code. And then also as well, FundedNext are actually giving you up to 30% off. So if you use the code plus a discount they've gotten as well, I'll be honest, FundedNext rarely ever give discounts. So definitely take advantage and good luck on your futures journey as well.